Master your Canon EOS to 5.0D and transform the way you capture memories. To begin, attach your lens by aligning the red dot on the lens with the red dot on the camera body. Then twist clockwise until it clicks. Navigate through shooting modes using the dial on top. Program, aperture priority, shutter priority, and manual law for increasing creative control. Press the Q button on the back to access the quick control screen, allowing swift adjustments to settings like ISO, white balance, and drive mode. For adjusting sensitivity to light, locate the ISO button near the directional pad and select your desired value using the main dial. Compose your shots using either the optical viewfinder for traditional framing or the vibrant LCD screen for live view. Half-press the shutter button to achieve focus, then press fully to capture your image. To review your photos, press the playback button, and if you need to delete, press the trash can icon. Transferring your captures is easy. Connect the camera via USB or remove the SD card and use a card reader. With these essential functions mastered, you're ready to unlock your to 5.0D's full potential and capture amazing moments.